Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand how to create bullet chart in Power BI. So let's go on the canvas of Power BI. Click on Get More Visuals. Now, click on Change over the time. Click this bullet chart. Press Add. After pressing this Add, this app will appear in the visualization. You can see here. Now in the category, we will pick up the subcategory. In actual, we'll drop the sales. Now in target, we'll have to specify the targeted sales. So go in new measure and make the new measure, that is target, is equal to sum of superstore, which is a data set, and in that pick up the sales, superstore sales. So the target is 1.1 times. Enter. On right hand side, you will see that the target will appear. You can see here. Now activate the focus mode. So pick up the target and drop it into the target, and the band lines will appear. So this is the targeted sale, and this is the actual sales. So this is how you can create the bullet chart in Power BI. For more such videos on Power BI, you can refer my playlist in which I uploaded many videos on Power BI. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please like and share my videos on Power BI. You can also join me on LinkedIn and Twitter, link given in the description box.